This is the Omega-3 2100 with Turmeric Fish Oil Supplement by Oceanblue. I received this complimentary from Oceanblue. So number one, I want to talk about the ingredients. 2100 milligrams of Omega-3 and 500 milligrams of turmeric. I was really intrigued by this combination because turmeric is really known for inflammation, and I'm starting to see a lot of inflammation supplements contain omega-3 as well. So to have these both in one supplement, I thought it was amazing because normally I'll take my turmeric separate from my omega-3. So having these all in one, I just found to be very intriguing. So it comes in this bottle of 60 soft gels. It says right here it's a 20-day supply, and that's because for this supplement, a serving size is three capsules. And then it says it's orange flavor. When I take these, I don't taste the orange flavor. It's orange colored, but I don't really taste it. So I just wanted to point that out. And then another thing that I'm really impressed about is in the ingredients. So up here it has your basic macros listed, but down here it says total omega-3 2100, EPA 1350 milligrams, DHA 600 milligrams, and DPA 150 milligrams, turmeric 500 milligrams. Normally with omega-3 supplements, I only see EPA and DHA listed out. I don't really see DPA. Normally it'll say something like other omega-3. So the fact that they're so transparent is really impressive to me. And also they give you a QR code where you can go and access their certificates of analysis that's been completed by a third-party company to see what all is really in there. So I love the fact that they're so transparent. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like. This is what they look like. So they're a little large, but they're not too bad. I don't have a problem with swallowing pills or capsules. They're smooth, they go down really well. So this is what they look like. And so overall, I'm really impressed with this company because, like I said, I love the fact that they have both omega-3 and turmeric in one supplement. I love the transparency. So they even talk about that, no fishy burps, full transparency, third-party tested, mercury-free. So they really do back that up, and the fact that they allow you to access their certificates of analysis is amazing. You don't see a lot of companies doing that. So if you're looking for a really good omega fish oil supplement with turmeric in it, I highly recommend you try this one.